Hi, I'm Jamie Seacrest. I'm going to be presenting People First Language for Greeley Elementary. People First Language, putting the person before the disability and eliminating old, prejudicial, and hurtful descriptors. 1 in 5 Americans has a disability, even though you may not know it. Language that describes a unique person first, not what a disability they have. So things that happen in the school. Well, first of all, looking at the disability before the student, making a list of disabilities and problems, then know what the student can do, having the students separated from other students for all activities, labeling the students, treating them differently, and making different rules for them because they have a disability. So things that may be said in the school. They are not so smart. I think that they're retarded. They're just autistic. They have a brain damage. They are handicapped. They're just a slow learner. Using appropriate language. A disability descriptor is simply a medical diagnosis. So tips on using appropriate language. First of all, I think you need to emphasize the ability and do not focus on the limitations that the students may have. Do not use language that suggests the lack of something the student may be lacking in. Do not use offensive language. So things to say and not to say. So some things to say. People with a disability, but do not say they handicap or they are disabled. You could things to say, she has autism instead of she is autistic. He has a developmental delay instead of saying he's developmentally delayed. Children without disabilities, or they're just normal or healthy kids. Things to say is a brain injury instead of they have brain damage. Because words matter. Words have a powerful impact on people with or without disabilities. Using the people first language, putting the person first and not the disability. A person with a disability is more like the people without disabilities than different. Everyone and every word matters.